Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm gonna be sharing my August picks from HOBO. I share a lot of bags here on my channel, and I know that I have a lot of favorites. That's kind of my job. That's kind of what I do, right? But I have the best bag ever to share with you today. I really, truly do. When I opened up this bag from HOBO, I was like, this is awesome. This is so good. So today I'm gonna share the bag with you, like the bag of fall, we're gonna call it, and a new print in my favorite cosmetic case. All right, up first, let's talk about the bag. This bag is the cutest crossbody, and it is designed in such a unique way. It fits everything that I need for like an everyday carry. If you are like a Kindle or a book lover like I am, this is probably like the bag for you, I swear. But it is just so uniquely designed that I fell in love with it instantly. So HOBO has some of the softest, most squishy full grain leather I have ever seen in my life. It is so comfortable to carry. All of my bags that I've got from them have just been super high quality leather for sure. So the first things first, the leather is absolutely unreal. It's top quality and it's super soft. So this here kind of crossbody bag has a couple of unique features that I wanna share with you. Starting with the outside pockets, you have one, and that is this back kind of cell phone slit here in the back of the bag. It fits my iPhone 15 Pro Max perfectly, and I think that's like the larger size phone. So I don't think you would have any trouble, no matter what size phone that you have, fitting it back there in that back pocket. But besides that, you don't have any more exterior pockets. Lifting up the flap here on the bag, you do have a very strong magnetic closure. As you can see, even lifting it up here with one hand, it's not coming undone. So it's a nice strong magnetic hold. But when you open it up, you have the opening to the main part of the bag, which is just completely open. There's no zipper pocket or anything like that. Inside this compartment here, you do have some change that I have left in there from when I carried it, but you have a zipper pocket as well as a big open pocket here and two more pockets in the front of the bag. So this here is just kind of a open area of the crossbody. But my favorite part is when you unzip the flap here of this bag, it goes all of the way down to the bottom of the bag. So it doesn't just stop right here in the front of, or the top kind of flap of the bag, like some bags that have a similar style do. It goes all the way down to the bottom. So what I like to use that for is whatever book I'm reading or my Kindle or even like a small notebook, I can put that all the way in here and it goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag, like securely, but yet it's still separate from the main opening of the bag. It's just awesome. In just a second, I am gonna put the camera down and show you how this bag packs up because I really don't feel like I'm doing it justice as I'm trying to explain it to you, but I did think it was important to show you the bag empty first. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on here, crossbody for you so that you can see how it looks against the body when you're wearing it. Again, it is so soft. The strap is easily adjustable. I have it, gosh, probably just on the middle. So you have this entire length still available. If you are taller, you'll have no problems with this one. But it is just one of those super comfy kind of like throw and go bags. The next item I wanted to share with you is my favorite cosmetic case ever, or cosmetic bag, or whatever you want to call it. I will have these linked down below, of course. But this is such a beautiful print for fall. This case is super functional. It's my second one now that I've owned in this. I have it in like a blue colorway for summer. But what's really cool about it is it actually closes at the top here with two magnetic, like tight closures. And when you open it up, it opens up nice and flat to reveal two separate zip pockets. So there is a seam here. They will not go into each other. You have actually two different zip pockets inside this one. It's awesome. It folds up so small and like compact, like a little triangle. It's a little bit fatter on the bottom, but the print on this one, it's so good. Let me show you. There's almost like a little pattern in the background of the flowers, if you can see it, and a very faint, like metallic kind of sheen to it, but it's not super shiny, if that makes any sense. I think that it's just so pretty, especially for fall. I love that it's trimmed in this kind of camel leather. It's really, really pretty. All right, let's go ahead and set the camera down so you can see how this bag packs up. And just like with all my review and packing videos and first look videos and all of that, I will have links to everything that I shared down below in the description, as well as pinned at the top of the comments should you want to shop anything that I'm sharing today. And I will also have a link to my What's in My Bag blog post, which has links to any and everything that you've probably seen in any of my bags. It all kind of lives there on the blog, but if you can't find something on there, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. All right, here we are all packed up. Gosh, I love the way that this messenger bag packs up. It really holds like the perfect amount of stuff, and it's just so uniquely designed. I absolutely love it. So starting on the outside of the bag and then working our way towards the inside like we typically do, you don't have any pockets here on the front of the bag, just this strong magnetic closure on this front flap. And then on the back here of the bag, we actually just heard, I got a text message. I have my phone back here in the back. This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max. So it is like the largest one, and it goes all the way down here to the bottom with no problems. So I think if you have a larger cell phone, you would be actually fine with this back pocket. And that is usually where I keep it, or I'll sometimes throw my wallet back here, or keys if I need to get them quickly for some reason, and I have this like on me, but your phone does definitely fit in this back pocket. Then opening up the main flap here on the bag, you do have one strong magnetic closure here on the front, so it holds everything nicely in place. And then when you unzip this top flap here, the pocket goes all the way down into the bag. It holds whatever book I'm reading perfectly fine. You could probably put like a notebook back here if you wanted to, or even a planner. I like just putting my book back there because it makes it that I can grab it easily if I need to, or it keeps it kind of hidden out of the way. So I love that. It fits great down in that back pocket. And then when you open up the flap here, you have one big opening. There's no zipper or any type of closure up here besides that flap, but that flap goes so far over and secures by this magnet that I'm never worried about anything falling out. In fact, I think it's really easy to grab things in and out of it. So I love that about this bag. I didn't think I was gonna be able to put this beauty cosmetic pouch inside this bag, but I can easily, as you can see here. And I love using this pouch whenever I can because it is truly one of my favorites. I'll take that out last, but over here, just kind of in this little cavity of the bag, if you will, I have my eyeglasses. I also have my lip gloss, and I have my big O-Venture key ring so that I can grab my keys really easily, and an Ondar chapstick holder, and my car keys just kind of stuck down in there. And I think that's it. Yes, that's it as far as the main opening of the bag. As you can see, I can fit way more inside this bag than what I even have packed in here. You could easily put like a water bottle in here. If you're a Kindle reader and not like a big book reader like I am from time to time, obviously putting a Kindle back there in that back pocket, you have even more room in here. So there's just a lot of different ways that you can pack this one up. And then inside this pouch here, which is the only other thing I have in the main opening, I will open it up here and show you. Strong magnetic closure there at the top of it, and then I just have a bunch of stuff. I have my pillowcase, I have a mirror, these like teeth picker things, a nail file, travel scissors, and then over here I actually just have some body spray, you know, cosmetic type things, lip gloss, lipstick, face spray, everything just kind of down in this pouch, and I love it so much. Then back to the inside here of the bag, you do have two pockets here in the front. One is small, like a pen pocket, and I literally just have a pen in there. And then this one's a little bit wider, and it's where I keep my gum and my Touchland hand sanitizer. And then back here in the back flap of the bag, you have one long pocket, and is the perfect size for pretty much any wallet. I mean, any wallet that I typically use. I actually have two different ones right now. I have this small coin purse, and inside here, I just have coins or cash. I've been keeping a lot of that on me recently for football games and soccer games and all the concession stand type stuff. So I typically have like two separate wallets almost nowadays. And then I also have my Ondar Denner wallet. This is in the really pretty blush color. I actually just changed into this one. But I have room for cards here, room for cards here in the middle, and then room for my ID in the front. So it's just a little card holder that you guys know I love. I've had those forever. And then back here in the zipper pocket, don't judge me, all right? This is a judgment-free zone, okay? But I have candy. I have Nerds that I stole from one of my kids' school. I have Laffy Taffies, and I think that's it. Yes, a hair tie. I normally keep like snacks or candy back here so that if I'm sitting at like a game or something, I can have a little treat and I don't have to share it with anybody, meaning like my kids, of course. But that is everything that I have packed inside this bag. I love it so much. I can't recommend it enough. Honestly, it's one of my favorites for sure. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you interested in some new styles from HOBO. I love this bag. I can't say it enough. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.